Ngemva kwemveke embili athukwa ngemibuzo uNomia Ndlovu ugcina sukuyile esitulweni sokuthukwa ngemibuzo. uNdlovu ubesola thukwa ngemibuzo umthuthisi wombuso uRiana Williams iveke pheleleko yonke. Umbuso uphenya ihlangothi lakhe lokwenzekako kunye namabanga ukuthi agcina bulala amalunga womndeni akhe amahlanu kunye nesokana lakhe. uNdlovu uqale namaqala wokubulala kunye nokureqhinga lokubulala amalunga womndeni akhe ukwenzela ukufumana imali ethileko yamapolisi we-insurance. uNdlovu obeka lipolisi ethembisa ubesajame ekutheni akanacala solokwathi ukulalela kwecaleli.
Might I ask you, why is it or how is it that when in this case, when the deceased was discovered, you were always somewhere close? In the case of witness Madala Homu, you knew to go search for his body at Olifantsfontein police station. How was that?
My lord, you must remember that I'm a police officer. I was working as a police officer. I wouldn't just fold my arms and do nothing when some things like that comes to my attention. I would help. I would act like a police officer. I would go out and assist in order to find these people.
Nanyana kunjalo umbuso uthi unobufakazi be-cellphone obutshengisa ukuthi uNdlovu ubehlala khuluma namadoda amabili uVincent Kunene noLakiwe Mkhize asolwa ngokuthi wawathumela ukuyokubulala umndeni akhe.
At times, when I couldn't get hold of Njabulo Kunene, I would call his sister Cebisile. In fact, the other way around, yes. That's it, yes.
Kulindeleke ukuthi icaleli libuyele ekhotho kaMastrata wePalm Ridge Court mhla amalanga ali-14 ngenyanga ezako.